Target your core with these powerful exercises for maximum gains. Exercise 1. Forearm plank. The forearm plank is an isometric exercise that mainly targets the entire core, especially the deep transverse abdominis and rectus abdominis, helping build strength, stability, and a solid midsection. It also engages the shoulders and glutes for full body control. This movement creates a strong, tight core foundation. To perform it correctly, place your forearms on the floor with elbows under your shoulders, extend your legs straight behind you, and hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core braced, avoid letting your hips sag or rise, and breathe steadily. Focus on tension and perfect form to maximize core activation and results. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that targets the full core, especially the lower abs and obliques, while also elevating your heart rate for fat-burning benefits. The continuous knee drive increases core engagement and improves overall endurance. This makes it highly effective for building a defined, functional midsection. To perform them, start in a high plank position with hands under your shoulders, then rapidly drive one knee toward your chest and switch legs in a running motion. Keep your hips low and core tight throughout. Focus on controlled speed and constant tension on the abs for maximum results. Exercise 3. Supported tucks. Supported tucks mainly target the lower abs, helping build strength, definition, and a tighter lower core. By using support, such as a bench, chair, or captain's chair, you can focus purely on the abdominal contraction without relying on grip strength. This exercise is excellent for isolating and shaping the lower abs. To perform it correctly, support your body with your arms or elbows, hang or sit with legs extended, then tuck your knees up toward your chest while squeezing your abs hard. Lower them slowly with control. Focus on the squeeze at the top and maintain tension on the core throughout every rep. Exercise 4. Leg raises. Leg raises primarily target the lower abs and full core, helping build strength, thickness, and a more defined midsection. The controlled lifting motion creates a deep contraction while stretching the abs on the way down. This exercise is perfect for developing lower ab strength and improving overall core shape. To do it correctly, lie flat on your back with hands under your hips or by your sides for support. Keep your legs straight and raise them toward the ceiling until they are vertical. Lower them slowly without letting your lower back arch. Control the movement, keep constant tension on the abs, and feel every rep to maximize growth and definition.